Good morning, Ogeechee River Water. So last week I spent a couple of hours cleaning up and looking at the river water that I collected last time we were down at the Ogeechee River. And lo and behold, I found all sorts of ciliates. I'm not sure what that one is. I kind of reckon that one's a Stylonychia. And lots of diatoms form the basis of the food chain right there, along with green algae, filamentous algae. I saw euglenas and facuses, and these little critters kept spiraling into and out of focus. Magnified 100 times. I think they might have been swarming vorticellas. That one's a stalked vorticella. And last but not least, water bears were in the moss on the banks of the Ogeechee River.